in the middle of the wild, a massive python wraps itself around a mysterious prey. At first glance, it looks impossible. Some say it's a kangaroo, others believe it's a hoax. But this footage is 100% real. The question is, can a python truly swallow a kangaroo? What you're about to hear might change the way you see these predators forever. Let's uncover the shocking truth hidden behind this incredible moment in nature. The python is a creature built for patience and precision. It doesn't chase. It waits. Hidden in tall grass or under the shadow of a fallen log, it becomes part of the earth itself, motionless, silent, and calculating. When the moment comes, it strikes with lightning speed, wrapping its body around the victim in an instant. Every breath the prey tries to take only tightens the coils further, until the world goes still again. Across the globe, pythons dominate their ecosystems. From the humid jungles of Southeast Asia to the dry plains of northern Australia, these snakes are masters of adaptation. Some species, like the reticulated python, can grow longer than a man's height several times over. Others, like the Australian amethystine python, are strong enough to crush animals heavier than themselves. Their jaws can expand far beyond normal limits, guided by flexible ligaments that let them swallow prey whole, sometimes as large as deer or wild pigs. But this incredible power raises one big question. How far can it really go? Could a predator, even one this massive, handle something as strong and muscular as a kangaroo? The kangaroo is one of the most recognizable symbols of Australia. Strong, fast, and built for survival, with muscular legs capable of propelling at more than 9 meters in a single bound. It's designed for movement across open terrain. Males can reach up to 2 meters tall and weigh over 90 kilograms. Their tails act like a third limb, balancing their body as they leap, fight, and defend themselves from predators. A single kick from a full-grown kangaroo can crush bones. These traits make adult kangaroos nearly impossible targets for even the largest pythons. While snakes rely on stealth and ambush, kangaroos depend on raw strength and awareness. Their sharp hearing and wide field of vision often give them a split-second advantage, the difference between life and death in the wild. Still, smaller species like wallabies or young joeys can fall victim to larger snakes when caught off guard near rivers, waterholes, or thick vegetation. So when viewers see footage of a python seemingly swallowing a kangaroo, it sparks disbelief. The question isn't just about what's possible. It's about understanding the limits of nature itself. What's happening in this video defies what we know about balance between predator and prey. But is it truly what it seems? To understand what's really happening in this scene, we have to look inside the biology of both predator and prey. A python doesn't chew, it swallows. Its skull is made of loosely connected bones, joined by stretchy ligaments that allow the mouth to open several times wider than its head. Once the prey is captured, sharp backward-facing teeth lock it in place, while the snake slowly pulls it inward. Then, powerful muscles push the meal through the body, aided by enzymes strong enough to dissolve bone. This process is brutal but efficient. Some large pythons have been documented swallowing animals weighing up to half their own body mass: monkeys, pigs, and even small deer. Yet, even for such a powerful constrictor, there's a limit. Size, bone structure, and lung capacity all determine what a python can truly consume without dying in the process. Swallowing a full-grown kangaroo would exceed those limits. The animal's chest and limbs are simply too wide to pass through a snake's body safely. So if the python in this footage isn't defying biology, what exactly is it eating? Its coils tighten around a long, fur-covered body. The shape looks familiar, but something doesn't quite fit. There's a mystery here, and the answer is hiding in plain sight. After a closer look, experts realized that what appeared to be a kangaroo was, in fact, something far more common in the python's world: a giant hare. The confusion is easy to understand. From a distance, the long hind legs and stretched body of the hare mimic the silhouette of a small kangaroo. When wrapped inside the python's coils, the distinction nearly disappears, making the illusion perfect for those who glimpse it only once. The hare, often called a spring hare or field hare, is a large and fast mammal, capable of running up to 70 kilometers per hour. But speed means nothing when ambushed by a python. Unlike predators that chase, the snake waits for the moment the hare lets its guard down, often near the edges of ponds or dense grasslands. One lightning strike, a single coil, and the outcome is inevitable. The python's constriction cuts off blood flow and oxygen within seconds. Then begins the slow, methodical act of swallowing its meal whole. As the snake works its jaws over the hare's body, it stretches skin and muscle to their limits. Hours later, the massive bolt settles inside its midsection, a silent trophy of the hunt. It wasn't a kangaroo after all, but nature's raw design in action. Strength, patience, and perfect timing. This footage isn't just shocking. It's a rare look into how evolution shapes power, precision, and survival. Every movement of the python, every instinct guiding the hare, comes from millions of years of adaptation. The python's ability to constrict and swallow whole is not an act of cruelty, but an efficient survival mechanism. Its flexible jawbones, its muscular system, and even its slow metabolism are all perfectly tuned to maximize energy while minimizing risk. One successful hunt can feed a large python for weeks, even months. Meanwhile, the hare represents the other side of the same coin: speed, agility, and awareness. In nature, there's no hatred between hunter and hunted, only the balance that keeps ecosystems alive. If pythons stopped hunting, populations of small mammals would explode, damaging vegetation and disturbing the cycle that sustains life in their habitats. Predators like these are not villains, they are regulators, ensuring that the balance of the wild remains intact. What makes this encounter so fascinating is not the brutality, but the precision. The python doesn't waste energy chasing. It studies, waits, and acts only when success is certain. That's why this scene, though hard to watch, captures something deeply true about life in the wild. Survival favors not the strongest, but the most efficient. In the grand equation of nature, every action has its place, and every creature has a role. So when people ask whether a python could really swallow a kangaroo, the answer is less about possibility and more about understanding nature's limits. What seems unbelievable at first glance often turns out to be evolution at its finest. In the end, the mystery is solved, but the wonder remains. The giant python wasn't devouring a kangaroo. It was claiming a hare, a meal perfectly within its grasp, yet powerful enough to astonish anyone who observes it. This moment reminds us that nature doesn't need exaggeration to impress. Its truth is already more extraordinary than fiction. Nature isn't cruel, it's precise. Every predator and prey, every chase and silence, plays a role in the infinite rhythm of life. Watching a python feed may be uncomfortable, but it's also witnessing evolution in motion, raw, ancient, and necessary. If this scene left you questioning what's possible in nature, remember, the most shocking truths are often the real ones. Stay curious, keep exploring, and support nature. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and become a member to continue discovering more real encounters and rare wildlife moments like this.